my name is Sarah, and today at the Michigan Science Center, as part of our Fizz Science Weekends, we're going to be learning about mixtures and what types of mixtures we have. You can repeat this experiment at home with many things you find in your kitchen. You'll just need some cups of water, something to stir with, and many different items like oil, food coloring, sugar, salt, sand, pretty much anything you can find that you want to see if it mixes or if it doesn't mix. So the first thing we're going to use is this food coloring. I'll put it in our water, just a few drops. I'm going to stir it up. Alright. So as you can see, the water and the food coloring completely mixed together. That's because it is called a homogeneous mixture. So that means that they will mix together, they're not separate, and they're all going to be together. Next we're going to add oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use vegetable oil, corn oil, soybean oil, even motor oil, but that's a little messy. Okay, so now I'm going to add the oil to our food coloring and water mixture. Alright, so this one's a little tough to see, but you can tell that the oil is on top of the water. It's not mixing together. That's because this is called a heterogeneous mixture. So the oil and the water are not going to mix. They're going to stay separated. Now we're going to use sugar. We'll see if our sugar mixes or not. Put a spoonful of sugar in. Give it a quick stir. Alright. So the sugar dissolves in the water and it becomes a homogeneous mixture, so the two can mix. Now we're going to use sand. You can use dirt from outside too if you want. Get a nice spoonful of sand in there. Give it a little stir. Alright, so as you can see, the sand is still swirling around in the beaker, but a lot of it has settled on the bottom. Now after some time, once the water stops moving, all the sand will settle on the bottom, and this becomes a heterogeneous mixture because the two aren't mixing, unless they are disturbed. Just like if you go in a lake at home and you kick the dirt on the bottom and it all mixes up. Now you can repeat these experiments at home to find out what things mix and become a homogeneous mixture and what things don't mix and become a heterogeneous mixture.
Hi, I'm Mike Mraz with the Michigan Science Center, and I'm going to show you a really cool Fizz Bang demonstration involving Alka-Seltzer, but with Alka-Seltzer we're going to make rockets. So, I have water here that I'm going to pour into this film canister. Then I'm going to take the Alka-Seltzer tablet, and what happens when you put Alka-Seltzer into water, it dissolves. So, while it's dissolving, I'm going to cap the Alka-Seltzer in the film canister, and we are going to see what kind of chemical reaction takes place. So right now, I'm going to pour this in. If you had this really close to the camera, you can hear it fizzing. And I'm going to put it in graduated cylinder, and now we wait. Focus on the tube, but I have no idea when it's going to go, so just listen to me and focus on that. So what's happening right now is the carbon dioxide is up inside and it went off. Chemical reactions are dope.
Hi everyone, I'm Michelle with the Michigan Science Center, and today I'm going to be making some art with Epsom salts. It's a really easy little experiment that you can do at home. You're going to make a solution at home using 2 parts Epsom salt and 1 part water. In this beaker I have 4 ounces of water and 8 ounces of Epsom salt. So go ahead and put it in your beaker. If at home you could just use a pot, stir it and it will be very cloudy. You're going to stir it over medium to high heat until it becomes clear. And it usually takes about 5 minutes. Once it becomes clear, let it cool slightly before handling. And you see the solution is clear. And then go ahead and paint on a piece of black construction paper. When you first paint on it, it is going to just look like it's wet. But we made a very super saturated solution, and once that water evaporates and dries, it's going to leave behind crystals. So once that painting dries, you'll see that your art will start to crystallize. So this is something you can definitely try at home.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah, and today we're in Kidstown at the Michigan Science Center. And today, part of our Fizz Science demonstrations, we're going to be separating a mixture. Now at home, you can make a mixture out of anything you want. Today I used a bunch of craft supplies. But you can use anything like silverware, pots and pans, clothing, your own craft supplies, or anything you can find around the house. And what you can do is you're going to separate them into different categories. It can be by color, by shape, what it is, what it feels like. The possibilities are endless. So today I'm going to separate our mixture by shape. All right, so starting out, I have this round fuzzy ball. I'm going to put it in a pile right here with other round things I found. This feather is long, so I'll start a long category. This popsicle stick is also long. I'm going to add it to the long category. Ooh, a rubber band. This is circular, similar to our pom-pom. I'm going to add it to that pile. Now we have some tissue paper. This is square. It's not round like our pom-pom or long like our popsicle stick or feather. So it's going to go in its own category. Another feather. Ooh, a marble. Our marble is round like our pom-pom and our rubber band. Some more tissue paper. Another pom-pom. Ooh, what's this? This is a round disc. And that fits in with our round stuff. So you can repeat this at home and separate into any categories you can think of. This is a great activity for the little ones at home to start learning similarities and differences between objects.